A foul smell emanating from a home's plumbing is not uncommon, but noxious odors could be indicative of a number of plumbing issues. If you walk into the kitchen or bathroom and smell a strong unpleasant odor, the culprit could be coming from within your home's pipes. The problem could be fixed by something as simple as deodorizing the drains, but it could also be a sign of a more serious problem. This is something every homeowner should investigate. Here are 5 reasons why your home's drains could be emitting a foul odor. Reason number 1. Bacterial buildup. Over time, residue from food, toothpaste, food scraps, grease, hair and other items rinsed down the sink can accumulate to emit a smelly organic discharge. If the material is also clogging the sink, try using hot water, vinegar and baking soda to both remove the clog and deodorize the smell. Reason number 2. Sewer odor stored in the gas trap. This is the distinctive bend in the pipe just below the drain. Because of its design, gravity can hold water in place, and if that water has organic material remaining in the bend, or if the home has experienced a recent sewer line backup, smells can become lodged in the trap and seep out. The baking soda, hot water and vinegar method can also be used to cleanse the pipe, or it may need to be replaced if it is old and has absorbed the bad smells. Reason number 3. Clogged air vent. Plumbing systems need an air vent, usually positioned on the roof, in order to maintain a proper flow of water through the system. Sometimes leaf and animal debris can get trapped in the air vent, causing a vacuum in the pipes that allows for smelly odors. Cleaning the vent out thoroughly or replacing it can solve this issue. Reason number 4. Dirty garbage disposal. Homeowners should regularly clean their disposals with cold water, ice cubes and lemon peels to flush out any food particles that may be sticking to the side of the disposal, causing odors. This will also keep the appliance running smoothly. Reason number 5. Sewer backups. The most serious cause of odors can come from a clogged main sewer drain. If the smell is akin to rotten eggs or sulfur, there is a chance that the sewer line is failing. A professional plumber with video location equipment can scan the sewer line for signs of clogs or breaks before determining whether the line needs to be unclogged with an auger or replaced.